Question number 1. Read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action. Words: wood, swim; marbles, sink; stars, shine; winds, blow; sun, sinks; flowers, die; ocean, ebbs; fish, gills; rain, falls; ice, melt; and bees, sting. Question number 2. Discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of the words from the poem. Number 1. Why, buy; sink, drink; sky, why; stone, bone; flies, rides; try, why. Question number 3. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? In these two lines, the word why is repeated, so it is a figure of speech called repetition. Repetition. It is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. Example: sun, sun it gives me a great joy. Now find out the lines from the poem which show repetition. Answer: why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? Question number 4. Complete the wave diagrams. The little boy wants to know. Number 1. Why wood should swim? Why lead and marbles sink? Why stars should shine? Why the flowers die? Why coal should be burned? Question number 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Words from the poem related to environment: wood, coal, star, wind, sky, and rain. Words from the poem related to animals, fruits, and insects: flowers, fish, spiders, apple, bee, and flies. Question number 6. Imagine a senior of students from your school has won a national level quiz contest. Frame 8 to 10 interview questions that you would ask when you interview him, her at school assembly about the achievement. Complete the word chain. Example: eat, tiger, run, nose, and easy. Number 1. Sky, yak, kite, eat, and toy. Number 2. Cloud, duck, king, glass, and sun. Number 3. Wind, duck, know, and watch. Number 4. Star, rise, earn, and net. Number 5. Why, yes, shine, and egg.